Hello, everybody, and welcome back. We're on question number 17 now from our 2011 Gauss paper. In Braden's cafeteria, the meats available are beef and chicken. The fruits available are apple, pear, and banana. Braden is randomly given a lunch with one meat and one fruit. What is the probability that the lunch will include a banana? Okay, so randomly given a lunch with one meat and one fruit. We want to know what's the probability that we end up getting a banana. Okay. So, what can we do here? Well, we could, there's a couple ways I think we could approach this. I mean, one way is to ignore the meat and say, well, how many fruits have you got? Apple, pear, banana. And you want a banana, that's 1 out of 3. But more generally, when we do probability, we count the number of sort of things we're interested in, or say, let's say, specified scenarios. The things that they describe. In this case, it would be the number of lunches that have a banana. And just then divide by the number of possible scenarios or outcomes. So in this case, divide by the number of lunches. Well, how do you make a lunch? Well, you've got your meat and your fruit. How many choices do you have for meat? Well, beef or chicken. How many choices do you have for fruit? Apple, pear, or banana. So 3 choices. You multiply. These choices are not These choices are independent of each other, and neither the choice of fruit is not limited by meat. There's nobody's saying pears go really well with chicken, so you're going to definitely have that. No, nothing like that. If you don't believe me, we can list them all out. Beef, apple, beef, pear, beef, banana, because I've already used B, I'm going to use N, or chicken, apple, chicken, pear, chicken, banana. Yeah, it is 6. And then how many of these have the banana? Well, we've got them listed out. Or you could say, well, there's 2 meats, and you only have one choice of fruit, the banana. It should be 2. So the probability we're asked for here in this question is going to be 2 ways to make a lunch that has a banana, divided by 6, the total number of ways to make a lunch, and we can see that that also gives me 1/3. As I said at the start, if the meat doesn't really matter, it's more just the probability, what's the probability you're going to get a fruit, and that's a banana, and that's 1 out of 3 choices. Same thing, either way, we get 1 out of 3, and that is A. Alright, very nice. Okay, up next, we're going to take a look at question number 18, so join me for that one if you would like to. I'll see you there.